Good morning. So far, law of equality, Article 14, equality and equal protection of law is concerned. A wide subject you should understand. And to understand that Article 14, I would like to refer this judgment, which is deeply associated with all over India, about the disparity of pay, disparity of treatment between allopathy doctors and these Ayush doctor, that is Siddha, Unani, homeopathy doctors. And for your kind information, there is one more doctors practicing called naturopathy and yoga science doctors. They are neither brought under Ayush nor under medical council, but they are permitted to enroll as a doctor under medical council. Still nobody is concentrating on that particular issues. I will come later. This is AR 2023 Supreme Court 2164. State of Gujarat versus Dr. P.A. Bhatt and another, wherein the claim was that there is no equal pay at par with the allopathy doctors, for the Ayush doctors. But unfortunately, the Supreme Court has referred, and earlier occasion there was a challenge about the age of retirement about Ayush doctors at par with allopathy doctors. But when the writ petitions were pending, the government has issued notification permitting them also to retire at the age of 65 years. Here, so far the salaries are concerned, the Supreme Court has said claim by doctors practicing alternative system of medicine for pay scales on par with allopathy doctors. Emergency service and trauma care provided by allopathy do not provide by doctors practicing alternative system of medicines. So therefore they say principle of equal pay and equal work not applicable. Then you understand it. The Supreme Court has categorized the performance of their job at paragraph 43. They say allopathy doctor, this is what this should be, somebody should file curator application. MBBS, MD, PG degree, BG, BAMS, BHMS, MD. Ayurvedic doctor, diploma specialization, required to perform emergency duties, no emergencies duty, have to work OPD and operation, no operation work, give IV injection and RT injection themselves, not applicable. Medicine given are allopathic, example painkiller, medicine based on Ayurvedic. Main duties with respect to emergency, casualty, OPD patient. Main duty to advertise, make people aware about Ayurvedic treatment. Nature of treatment thus different from Ayurveda. Nature of treatment totally different from allopathy. Such doctors are not easily available in plenty. Therefore, bond system applicable, getting service of at least 5 years in village. No such bond system. Night duty, no night duty. I can't understand, and kindly also look into paragraph 45. Man and Medicine, a History, authored by Farokh Iraj Udalia, Emeritus Professor of Medicine, Allopathy, published by Oxford University. So many things have been discussed. Sir, then I want that something extraordinary discussions are there. No doubt the feeding which was placed before the Supreme Court about the doctor's positions is not sufficient to rethink or to revisit the judgment. Number one, see, nowadays the diploma holders are not allowed in almost all states except few states. Now the proper controlled studies, graduation studies is being parted. Then another question was that what about naturopathy doctors? See, naturopathy doctors are undergoing treatment, undergoing their education more than the allopathy doctors are undergoing. And they have some extraordinary scientific techniques to be followed, including the IV injection method and so lot not. So this is what probably the allopathy means the scientific improved medicines from Unani and Ayurvedic. Probably Siddha for ointment and other purpose Siddha is followed. Homeopathy is also nothing but somewhat extended homeopathy. Allopathy system is improved from homeopathy system only. So therefore Honeymoon, who is an allopathy doctor only, founder of the homeopathy. All these things you cannot, if you are giving training, you allow them to go special training for attending these matters, emergency matters also, because in rural areas, doctors, the Supreme Court itself has admitted that the advocates, the doctors of allopathies are not easily available. One thing is there, they are at a high desk, therefore they can conquer the lower group of their own sect. This is what happening. It should be looked into. Some interested doctors may file curator application mentioning about the discussion wherein some particulars are not properly placed before the Supreme Court, and so that you just file the application, wait for another opportunity, and if the state government wants to pay equal pay, that cannot be challenged. That is what I say. It is up to you to fight with the state government. But at the same time, the other things, if you are not allowed to go attend the emergent patients and around the clock night duty hours, then what is then how you can claim equal pay at the doctor is also $1,000 question. But certain areas you should file a curator application to remove certain incorrect particulars about these Ayush doctors. So particularly naturopathy doctors must approach the Supreme Court stating their studies, and you have to place, it is far better you yourself argue the matter before the Supreme Court. Online arguments are allowed. If anybody wants, come to me, I will try to help you. Best wishes.